Hey guys, today we are working on electronic parking brake. The parking brake was never fully on because one of the caliper is in error. So let's diagnose and repair the problem. Let's check the diagnostic. What faults are present? There are a few common faults. The most common fault is stuck or faulty caliper. In that case, the parking brake won't release or engage. To fix it, you have to repair or replace whole caliper. Also, there is no easy way to release stuck caliper. Some cars may be equipped with lever in the trunk to release the brake. But for example, this Passat B6 doesn't have that option. The easiest way to release the brake is removing the motor and spinning the shaft. Another common faults are, for example, bad cabin switch, corroded or loose connectors. The connector on the brake is exposed to the elements. If you have electrical problems, this is the first thing you should check. So what we have here are electrical faults from rear left parking brake. We can try to remove the fault, but it will be present till the parking brake doesn't move on its own. We can try to move the brake from this diagnostic tool. And what we can see is that the left motor is taking very low amperage. And the right one shows a few amperes drawn. I have already tested the rear motor to see if it works. There will be a video about it, same as the video about how to get to the brake module. I am removing the module to get to the connector and test the continuity to rear brake. I have set the multimeter to resistance. This is part of the schematic from the connector. V282 is left brake and V283 is the right brake. For the left one, the pin numbers are 14 and 29. The numbers are present on the connector, but you can't see them on this footage. There is some small resistance, so this line is good. Second line is good too. Right now both connectors are connected. And we are trying to compare the resistance between right and left parking brake motor. The left one has endless resistance. We know that the brake motor is good, so we are assuming that the connector doesn't have proper connection. This is what we hacked in the meantime. That's all, thank you for watching.